I'm currently short in USD JPY, and I am also long in gold XAU USD. I'll walk you through what I have trading top down on both. Starting here on USD JPY, here on the 4-hour chart, we can see last week some consolidation here on the 4-hour, and then this order block is put in, and then on Friday we can see sell side delivery here. We've got the new week opening gap, and price has traded to the sell side here in continuation of last week here on the 4-hour. Here on the 1-hour chart, we can see, actually let's go back up here. So we can see that continuation price action here from Friday here, new week opening gap here, and then we can see price action pull back, deliver to the sell side, consolidate, and then put in a market structure shift here to the sell side just before the London session. And then I gain an entry here in the London session with this hour candle here, creating a break of structure here to the sell side on the 60-minute here, which got my attention here on the 5-minute. So here on the 5-minute, zoom in here for my entry. So here on the 5-minute, you can see here at the open of the London kill zone, price trades back up into this 5-minute order block here. Then price delivers here to the sell side, then pulls back to the market structure shift level, or actually this is a break of structure level, as price was already delivering here to the sell side. So this break of structure comes in here to the sell side, and we can see since then price within the kill zone delivered to the sell side, pull back, swept out this sell side liquidity here from the kill zone, and then proceeded to re-deliver to the buy side. Price traded back into this order block, swept out the buy side liquidity here, and then price consolidates just below the order block and is now delivering to the sell side and is back below my entry price here. So we'll see if price action continues here to the sell side. We'll head over to the higher time frames, and you can see my order more completely here. So I've got 700 at 153.904. Stop loss is 154.435, and take profit is 152.310. This is for a 3-to-1 risk to reward on this USD JPY trade. And during the current session, this New York AM session, I've taken a position in gold XAU USD long, and I'll walk you through what I have trading top down on this position. So starting here on the 4-hour chart, now we can see gold is bullish here. It's bullish back here, it pulls back, makes another leg higher, and here delivering to the buy side. Here's the new week opening gap here. And then I was in a trade that I held over the course of the weekend here. So as gold was preparing to break out here on Friday, I took an entry, and then during the Asian session last night, I was able to take profit, or just before the Asian kill zone, I was able to take profit in this gold position. Then you can see gold consolidate and then put in a 60-minute market structure shift here, and price consolidates above the order block during the London session, and here during the New York AM session, price trades back into this 60-minute order block here. When that happens, I'll come over here to the 5-minute chart. So you can see that consolidation here on the 5-minute. Then you see this price delivery here to the sell side here into the order block. So price trades into the order block here, trades into the order block here, and then get some buy side delivery here. And then here, and also here, but I took the price at this level here. We get a market structure shift to the buy side here. And I take this position here as it pulls back on a limit order, and then you can see price has been delivering overall to the buy side since taking this entry. And then since we're at new all-time highs, or in the area of new all-time highs, we'll go over to the higher time frames here, and we'll see. No, I'm not going to be able to show my targets and things, so I'll just pull up my order. If it'll let me pull my order up. Okay, I'm gonna refresh this here and see if it'll let me pull my order up, and then I'll show my stop loss and take profit. Okay. Here we go. And you can see my stop loss is here. So stop loss is 50.52.11. My entry price is 50.76.18, 0.11, and take profit is 51.46.88. And this is also a 3-to-1 risk to reward, as the USD JPY is as well. And now we're seeing further delivery here to the buy side on gold. Price now potentially prepared to put in a new swing high here on the 60-minute, on the 1-hour chart here. So price can trade above this level, then there will be a structure shift here on the 1-hour chart, which would be an indication of price potentially going up to another level, to the buy side here. Also, it could be potentially putting in a fair value gap here on the 1-hour chart. If the following candle closes anywhere in this area or above, then there'll be a gap here, which would indicate there's volume in the market for this price direction. We'll have a look back over at USD JPY. And we can see some buy side delivery coming in here, as gold is also showing some buy side delivery here. But price still trading below my entry price. Price is currently contending with this bullish fair value gap, or this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here. So ideally, at a minimum, wanting to see this current candle close somewhere within this fair value gap, or even better, having price close somewhere below this fair value gap. Also here on this 60-minute candle, what is this here? On this 60-minute candle here, where the gap is formed, there is liquidity resting below here. There is no wick below this candle here. So this would be an area of liquidity for the algorithm to raid, and then it would be a matter of if price returned to the buy side or continued sell side delivery here. So I have about 4 minutes remaining. So ideally, wanting to see price close below this level here. We'll find out in a little over 3 minutes. I'll head back over to gold for now. You can see price still being delivered to the buy side overall here since my entry. Still has yet to put in a market structure shift to the buy side on the 1 hour chart, but is close to doing so. Price approaching or returning potentially to the 5100 levels as it reached those levels just before the London session. So price may be going back to head to those levels. Price now currently approaching the structural high here, and we'll see if gold will shift to the buy side on the 1 hour chart. See if this new high is being put in. So 96.86, just shy. So looking for 96.87 to confirm a structural shift, but price is currently 5 cents away from that at 50.96.81, or is that 6 cents? And price approaching the 1 hour structural high again. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 1 hour candle. I'm going to head back over to USD JPY. And let's see here. And now we've got the 60-minute high in on gold. And let's check the 1 hour here. USD JPY, and this is the candle closed that I wanted to see here. So it closed below the bullish fair value gap or buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency here. So this disrespects this bullish fair value gap, and price here may be potentially putting in a balanced price range, as price seems to be set up to put in a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, or a bearish fair value gap that would balance this bullish gap here. So we'll see if price action continues and allows for that to form. But currently price action looking bearish here, and a potential return here to the sell side on USD JPY. Seeing some pullback here on gold after putting in a new structural high here on the 60-minute here. So putting in a market structure shift here to the buy side, with price trading up above this level here. So now seeing price pull back, and then I would anticipate price redelivering here to the buy side. So here on the 1 hour chart, as I was mentioning, potential gap in this area. So right now there is a gap, and it'll just depend on whether or not that gap gets filled now, or if this candle here is able to close, then it will allow the gap to form, so long as price does not trade to this level here. Price does trade to that level there, then there will be no gap, and then price will either continue to the sell side or continue to the buy side. Same thing if there is a gap. But if there is a gap, then there would just be some liquidity, some internal range liquidity here for price to react off of and potentially deliver here to the sell side, or disrespect and fill the fair value gap, just as USD JPY did in the last 1 hour candle. So the first hour of the kill zone is in the books. Now trading here in the second hour of the kill zone, here the New York AM kill zone. So while gold is pulling back, or is in a state of pullback here, I'm going to head back over to USD JPY. So previously there was no top wick on this candle. Now price has redelivered to the buy side and put a wick on this candle. So now price could continue delivery here to the sell side without needing to pull back to this candle. But again, it may be putting in a bearish fair value gap here, which it may come back to, or may give some continuation after it forms, if it forms. And then likely during later in the New York session, price could potentially return to that level. It seems like price has put in some, I would say, or some volatility here coming in before the New York session here. Also with gold, seeing the volatility come in right after the New York Open, just after taking my entry, and even now. So seeing this volatility come in here just before the open, and then this volatility here just for the New York Open. So I would anticipate around this time there could be more volatility, but with the amount of volatility before the kill zone, or just the amount of volatility at the open of the New York AM session, I would anticipate for price to probably slow down in this area, but that could be incorrect. But I would anticipate some potential consolidation as price has returned to an area. So price was trading up here, price traded lower, and then is now trading back into this same area. So to me, this just would look as consolidation here for the most part in this area. So I'm uncertain whether or not price will want to break out of here within the kill zone, or potentially break out outside of the kill zone here. But you can see price still, as I mentioned, consolidating in this range here. And I could anticipate it doing so here throughout the remainder of the kill zone. But I'm going to keep a close eye on price action here, and just let the trades play out. Again, both trades trading at a 3-to-1 reward to risk ratio. We'll come over here to my history for today, and we can see here this is today. Didn't have any trades on or anything coming into today, and then we can see here's the USD JPY sell here during the London session, quantity 700, 153.904, and then here at 825 gold, a buy 0.11 at 50.7618. So this is all that's on my ticket for today. Over the course of the weekend, let's say Saturday to here. So this was a failed Bitcoin trade, but I wouldn't take that trade again as it failed a 1-hour order block. And this was from Friday. And gold, this was the trade that I took on Friday that I was able to take profit on during the previous Asian session last night. And again, these are the positions here for today. So this would cover my positions over the weekend and into the day. So profitable over the weekend, and so far sitting in trades that may have continuation here toward today. If you'd like to know more, visit us at OnTiltTrading.com. Stay on tilt, never a